Hey folks, meteorologist Bill Alexander here, and we're looking at the satellite radar loop that showed there were some showers, a couple of rumbles of thunder earlier today, but that has all fallen apart, and in its wake we've just got some cloud cover across the area and no real meaningful rain. So what we're looking at now, well, you've still got a lot of warm temperatures across the state. Only 72 degrees of thunderstorm in progress at Amarillo. Most everybody else in the 80s and 90s. That includes our neck of the woods. Here you've got upper 80s along the immediate coastline and back at Beeville, where there's a weak little boundary sitting back there that separates slightly milder air from the summertime heat in the lower to middle 90s elsewhere. But as far as rainfall, you're not looking at much. In fact, you're not looking at much for the next couple of days as we move on through into Saturday. Things begin to change next week. So overnight tonight, warm and humid. The lows from the middle 70s to lower 80s across the area. And then tomorrow, just plain hot out there and humid with highs from around 90 along the coastline to the middle, even upper 90s further inland and south. As far as heat index values, you're going to be looking at these numbers that'll quickly charge into the upper 90s until around 108 to 109 tomorrow afternoon, and again around 106 to 107 for your Saturday. Now that's pretty much normal for this time of the year. Fairly light winds are not going to contribute much to adding moisture to the atmosphere, but you are going to see some of the south to southeasterly winds at 6 to 12 miles an hour. Now, if you're going out to the coastal waters tomorrow, that's a nice Friday out there. It'll be mostly sunny. There will be some stray showers, maybe a rumble or two or thunder, but not much going on. 87 for your high temperature, heat index around 106, and you're looking at a water temperature in the middle 80s. Southeast wind, only 5 to 10 knots. That's going to make for smooth bays, 2-foot seas, and a low rip current risk. Now, this is what it looks like over the next couple of days. We're going to put this high-resolution model in motion. You'll see some passing showers on your Friday, and maybe a little bit more on Saturday, but really no great shakes out there. They're going to be mainly associated with the sea breeze. But things begin to change next week. This disturbance moves out of the way. A next one moving down out of the northern plains has got more energy with it. In fact, it's got two systems coming down, and that's enough to pump moisture up into our area from the tropics. And the interaction with these disturbances and tropical moisture means significant opportunities for rain, especially the second half of the week, as we start to develop low pressure along the coastal areas there that pumps that moisture in. And so in the short term, you're not going to see much in the way of rain, but in the long term, things begin to change pretty dramatically by the middle of next week, and we'll start to see abundant amounts of rainfall develop and really prosper across the area. So over the 7-day forecast period, this is what you're looking like. Huge amounts of rain in our watershed and back to our north, and still pretty decent rain around here as well. So overnight tonight, still warm, still humid out there, fairly light winds. You might see a sprinkler or two in the morning, with the mercury quickly recovering from the upper 70s to the middle 90s. Yeah, another hot one out there. We're looking at mid 90s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with isolated showers and thunderstorms. And as you move into the first of next week, they become much more concentrated, potential for much heavier rain and stronger thunderstorms. So we're looking at scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and even on into Thursday. I don't have it marked there, but so much cloud cover and precipitation will knock our daytime temperatures down